Edo Governor Obaseki don lay foundation for one new top-class college of agriculture for Agenebo-de Esako East local government area wey go specialize for aquaculture, fishery and marine agriculture. Ogbonge pipo wey join body with Governor Obaseki for the ceremony na im Deputy Marvelous Omobayo, PDP Governorship Campaign Director Matthew Dweyekeme, Edo PDP Chairman Anthony Azigbeme, Traditional Ruler of Uwana Kingdom, His Royal Majesty Dr. Oshapi Egabo and other important people. For his speech, Governor Obaseki tok say dem dey focus on giving practical training wey go fit help students get job or start their own business. Say dem dey more interested in training people wey go fit use their skills well instead of just to collect certificate. E come also add say sake of say the college dey close to River Niger, dem go use am take build strong specialization for aquaculture, fisheries and marine agriculture. E come tok say the design of the school go include plenty laboratories and farms. Governor Obaseki come also assure say the project go move fast, say within 12 months the school go dey ready for students sake of say dem already get the funds for this year budget to complete the building.
This school is going to also partner with fishing and aquaculture companies, because what we do as state is to help set the school, but the people who are in that business will partner with the state and the school to make sure that the learning that takes place in the schools are very, very practical. We are training for jobs, not for certificate. This school is going to have a lot of laboratories and its own farms. This school is going to have the best infrastructure in Agenebo-de. And by the grace of God, with what we have in the budget this year for the construction of this school, I believe that the school will be completed, the buildings will be fully completed and equipped within the next 12 months. My confidence comes from the fact that we've already done it somewhere. So we are just moving the team who have now learned, they now know what to do. They have now, overcome the mistakes they started with. And they have assured me that within 12 months, this school will be ready for studies.
His Royal Majesty Dr. Oshapi Egabo thank the governor, say the governor don prioritize projects wey go better people life and put the state on the path of prosperity. While Esako East Council Chairperson Honorable Benedicta Ato come also talk say the project na big achievement for the local government and e go bring development come the area.
I want to place it on record that my community people are very, very happy about it, and it's one of the legacy that I will leave behind. Thank you, Mr. Governor.
You're going to be bringing development to our local government, because wherever there is a higher institution or a school, development will always come to the place.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Esako East local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.